Hi dear all students. In previous video we completed problem set 10 question number 3's first problem, that is word problem. I hope you done homework students. Now second problem will take today. I will read problem. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2.5 part of her garden. आराधनाने तिच्या घराच्या गार्डनमध्ये, तिच्या घरासमोर एक गार्डन आहे, त्या गार्डनमध्ये तिने 2/5 पार्ट पोटॅटोज लावले. पोटॅटोज म्हणजे बटाटे. ग्रीन्स इन 1/3 पार्ट. ग्रीन्स मीन्स हिरवा वटाणा, ग्रीन पीज, हिरवा वटाणा. ग्रीन पीज शी प्लांटेड 1/3 पार्ट अँड ब्रिंजल इन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट. आणि उरलेले तिने वांगे लावले तिच्या घराच्या अंगणामध्ये, यार्डमध्ये, गार्डनमध्ये. ऑन हाऊ मच ऑफ हर प्लॉट डीड शी प्लांट ब्रिंजल्स. तर तिने तिच्या गार्डनच्या किती भागामध्ये ब्रिंजल्स लावले. एक्झॅक्ट प्रपोर्शन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनॉमिनेटर, सिन्स they are given here in that form, should be our answer. So for this problem student, first we have to do addition of these two numbers of potatoes and greens. Then we have to subtract that from 1 because that is a garden, one garden. So let us solve this example. I will show you how to solve. Given data we wrote first, I wrote already from problem. Let us see now how to solve. Now potatoes are in 2/5 part, greens are in 1/3 part. So total of that first we have to do. No direct addition students. If you do that you go wrong and wrong only. 2 plus 1, some students are doing in exam like this way, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 3 8. No, this is a fraction. We have to make first base same, denominator same, then only you can add numerator. Denominator no adding. So here 5 and 3 will do cross multiplication. First number as it is, multiply by denominator of second, that is 3 up 3 down, middle sign is plus. Now second digits as it is, multiply up and down with first numerator, denominator, that is 5. Now do calculations. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, plus 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. You can check now, denominator came same. Cross multiplication is the best method. Now add 6 plus 5 11 and 15 write as it is. Don't do 15 plus 15 30. Base same, you have to write one time. Denominator same, write as it is. Add upside 6 plus 5 11. So 11/15 part. Total she planted peas, green peas and potato. Now we want to find out brinjal. So how much brinjal? Remaining brinjal. So one garden minus 11/15. एका गार्डन मधला एवढा भाग बटाटे आणि ग्रीन आहेत, यांची सबट्रॅक्शन केल्यावर जो उरेल तो भाग काय राहील? ब्रिंजल. सो सी स्टुडंट, so this subtraction we want to do now. From one whole garden this much part is planted as potato and peas, so we subtract that part. Now this our answer we subtract from 1. Here nothing is down, so take 1 because it is in form of numerator upon denominator. So this also numerator upon denominator. Nothing is down, we have to take 1. We can't take 0, otherwise it's not become proper fraction. So always nothing is down, there is 1. Denominator नाही दिलेला असेल तर काय घ्यायचं? 1. Here 15 base should be same. This side is 15 but this side not, so only multiply this side by 15. If you multiply 1, same answer will remain no matter. Write first number as it is, multiply up and down with 15 because this denominator minus. If you want you can do no matter. answer will remain same. 15 ones are 15 upon 15 ones are 15. 11 ones are 11 upon 15 ones are. See now, base is same. So your final answer will come 11, 15, 15 remain as it is, and 15 minus 11 is 4. So 4 upon 5th part brinjal is planted. 4 upon 15th part of garden brinjal is planted. I hope students you understand this word problem in a proper way. From given data we have to write first stepwise, and don't do wrong calculations, otherwise you may go wrong. I hope you understand in a better way. Take care student. At home be safe with your parents. Complete maths notebook on time. Please present in Zoom classes so we can teach ahead part and we can learn more calculations in good speed. And videos also you are getting. Those have net problem, connection problem, for them these updated videos are there. If you miss your videos because of any reason, please follow my channel for maths Swati Dere. Subscribe so you will get notifications when I upload new videos, and you can cover up your missed part. You can search easily from channel my all uploaded videos in sequence of that particular lessons according to part 1, part 2, etc. So remain in touch with that videos and complete your maths notebook, not by copywriting dear all. Please understand concept and then you solve without copyright. You solve with your own mind, your rough work, write neat and clean way. So today we finish word problem number 2. Third problem we'll see in the next video. Till that time, take care student. Thank you. Bye bye.